guys, may vlog na naman kami. So, left or right yung anuhin namin. So, ikaw muna first. Okay. Okay, pikit. Pikit ka doon. Umupo ka doon. Pikit ka ha. Pag hindi ka pumikit, papaluin talaga kita mamaya. Ready? Yes. Left or right? Alright. Tumingid ka yata eh. Ha? Hindi. Ulit. Ulit ha. Left or right? Okay, there we go. Next naman. Itang pikit ka ha. Pumikit ka. Okay, iganyan mo yung mata mo. Left or right? Alright. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Oh, pikit pa. Pikit ha? Okay. Pikit. Left or right? Alright. Yeah, Papa. Guys, amen. It's Papa Jesus. Okay. Kawawa. Maligay na natin siya doon. Good job, Pau. So, my turn. Okay. Let's go. Ano? Okay na? Anong gusto mo, te? Okay na. Go. Left or right? Yes. Go. Left or right? Ito? Ito! Isang burger. Next naman. Okay. Anong gusto mo, te? Ano? Aray ko! Right or right? This. Gada! The balls! Oh, the balls! Next. Anong gusto mo, te? Right or right? This. Shoo, it's the ball. It's the ball. Ito yung palo. Oh my God. Next. Right or right? Huh? This? You lost the Batman! You lose the bet. Batman! The Batman, you lose. That's all, guys. Bye-bye. Right or right? Right or right? Go! Okay. Ito. Yeah! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Paluin sila. Legendary smash! Ikaw naman. Oh no, bro! It's broken! Yeah!